Home Remedies presents. Use this gel to look younger and radiant. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia, and in today's video, I will share one natural scrub that can remove aging signs like wrinkles, dark spots from your skin in just few applications like a magic. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. Do you want to look younger? I know we all want this. It is just impossible to hide your age, but you can always look younger. There is no doubt everyone desires to look younger. I have shared many natural remedies with which you can easily avoid aging signs that appear on your skin. Let's have a look at this one today. Ingredients required: 1 tablespoon baking soda, half tablespoon honey, 1 drop of pure lavender essential oil. Directions: mix baking soda and honey to make a paste. Add 1 drop of lavender essential oil. Place a warm washcloth over your face and hold on skin for a minute or so to open up your pores. Before applying, do a patch test. Gently rub face with facial scrub using small circular motions. Be gentle with your skin. Keep massaging skin with the scrub for 3 to 5 minutes to fully remove dead skin from face and to let the essential oil work its magic. Rinse off with warm water. Your face may be red for a bit, but this will wear off. You can use this scrub 1 or 2 times a week. This scrub is alkaline to the skin, so to even out your pH, it is a good idea to splash your face with rose water afterwards. This will naturally balance your skin. Amazing result. After using this natural scrub for 2 weeks, you will notice that it will remove all aging signs from your face magically. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.